Okay, so a lot of you are asking if the Liulu's automatic kitty litter is quiet enough to work its mechanism. I'll go ahead and do a sound test on the quality of the unit. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do to rotate it, you want to switch it from automatic to manual. So all you do is press the M button and hold. Now it's in manual mode, and now it's going to rotate when you want it, or you can switch it back to automatic. And I'll just go ahead and rotate that. And we'll see how it rotates. So if there was a dropping, it would go down into that hole you see there. And see, my cat likes it too. Bella. As you can see, it doesn't disturb a cat. And I hope you guys liked the video. That is a quick vid on the sound test and the quality of this product. If you like another one on any suggestions, let me know. Stay tuned. I'll showcase some other video on the total cleaning of the product. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.